There are some magical words that have the power to unlock his heart and make him fall head over heels in love with you. These words can make him feel emotions he has never felt before and leave him weak in the knees. So if you want to know what these powerful words are and how to use them to your advantage, then keep watching. We will reveal 7 words that will melt his heart and make him crave for your love. By the end of this video, you will have a secret weapon that will help you attract and seduce him like never before. These are not just any ordinary words. They are specifically designed phrases that appeal to his deepest desires and turn him on like nothing else. So don't miss out on this opportunity to learn how to use language to your advantage and make him fall in love with you. The first word is praise. Men love to be praised for their efforts and achievements. When you genuinely appreciate him and let him know how much you value him, he will feel on top of the world. Praise him for his intelligence, his humor, his kindness, or anything else that makes him special. Tell him how much you admire him and respect him. Let him know that you see him as a role model or a hero. The more positive and specific you are with your praise, the better. Don't be afraid to gush over him or shower him with compliments. He will appreciate it. For example, instead of saying, "You're so smart," say something like, "I am so impressed by your intelligence. You have such a brilliant mind. You always know how to solve problems and make things work. I love talking to you because I learned so much from you." See how much better that sounds? That is how you can praise him and unlock his heart. No. 2. Flirt. Flirting is a fun and playful way to show him that you are interested in him and that you want him to pursue you. It's a way to create chemistry and anticipation between you both without being too direct or serious. Flirting doesn't have to be complicated or over the top. It can be as simple as making eye contact, smiling, and complimenting him. You can also tease him lightly or play hard to get. Just make sure that your flirting is respectful and not aggressive or offensive. Here are some examples of how you can flirt with him. "You look really nice today." "I had a lot of fun last night." "You make me laugh so much." "I can't wait to see you again." "You're on my mind." These are just a few ways that you can flirt with him and make him chase after you. 3. Vulnerability. Being vulnerable with him means sharing your true feelings, thoughts, and experiences with him. It shows that you trust him and that you believe he can handle your emotional honesty. Vulnerability is a way to deepen your connection with him and make him feel closer to you. It also shows that you are not perfect and that you need him sometimes. This can make him feel more comfortable around you and more attracted to you. So how can you be more vulnerable with him? You can share your fears, your dreams, your hopes, your insecurities, your stories. You can open up to him about your past or your future plans. You can show him your true self, the one that is authentic and imperfect. Don't be afraid to be honest and raw with him. He will appreciate it. 4. Ask for his opinion. Asking for his opinion is a way to involve him in your life and make him feel important and valued. It shows that you respect him and that you want to hear what he has to say. Asking for his opinion can also create a sense of ownership and responsibility in him. He will feel like he has a say in things and that he can influence your decisions. This can make him more invested in you and more committed to your relationship. So what can you ask for his opinion about? You can ask about anything that interests you or that affects you. You can ask about your work, your studies, your hobbies, your friends, your family, anything. For example, you can say, "What do you think I should wear to the party? What do you think about this movie? What do you think I should do with my weekend? What do you think about my idea?" These are just a few examples of how you can ask for his opinion and make him chase after you. 5. Show your affection. Showing your affection is a clear and direct way to tell him that you like him and that you want him to be with you. It's a way to express your feelings and make him feel loved and appreciated. Showing your affection can also create a sense of security and comfort in him. He will feel like he can rely on you and that you will be there for him no matter what. This can make him more attached to you and more loyal to you. So how can you show your affection for him? You can show it in many ways, through words, through actions, through gifts. You can say, I like you, I love you, I appreciate you. You can hug him, kiss him, cuddle him. You can buy him something he likes, plan him a surprise, cook him a meal. There are many ways to show your affection and make him chase after you. 6. Tease him. Tease him gently. Teasing is a playful and enjoyable way to create chemistry and connection with him. It's a way to have fun and flirt with him without being too serious or intense. Teasing can also create a sense of excitement and anticipation between you both. He will love the mystery and the challenge of figuring you out. This can make him more intrigued by you and more eager to pursue you. But how can you tease him without being mean or hurtful? You can tease him about his interests, his hobbies, his quirks, his habits. You can tease him with compliments or with playful jabs. Just make sure that your teasing is lighthearted and not offensive. Avoid sensitive topics or personal boundaries. 7. Eye contact. Eye contact is a powerful way to connect with him and make him feel seen and heard. It's a way to express your interest and attraction to him without saying a word. Eye contact can also create a sense of intimacy and closeness between you both. It's a way to communicate your emotions and make him feel yours. So how can you use eye contact to your advantage? You can make eye contact when you talk to him. You can hold his gaze when you listen to him. You can look into his eyes when you ask him something. You can gaze at him when you compliment him. You can stare at him when you flirt with him. Just make sure that your eye contact is natural and not creepy. Avoid staring awkwardly or intensely. These are 7 words that will melt his heart and make him crave for your love. You can use them in different ways and combinations to create your own unique style of communication. The most important thing is to be yourself and to enjoy the process of getting to know him and building a relationship with him. These words are just tools to help you express yourself and connect with him on a deeper level. They are not magic spells that will make him love you instantly or against his will. You still need to be genuine, respectful, and patient with him. Now we want to hear from you. What are some other ways to unlock his heart? What are some other words or phrases that make him melt? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.